All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Desirable for those who do know. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. Now, I don't wear foundation. It's gonna be something really quick, really simple. And I was been supposed to film this video and it just slipped my mind. And I'm like, I'm just getting out of the shower, fresh face. I'm like, good. This is a perfect time for me to film this video. So, how are everybody? Hello to my new subscribers. Hello to my subscribers that's been here for a little minute. How are you guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I know I'm sure am. I hope everything's been great. And yeah, I'm just coming on to say hello before I get into the video and to let you guys know that this is one of my new mirrors. If you don't know, I sell Hello Kitty mirrors. So if you would love to purchase one of my mirrors, I will definitely link my business in the description box below so you can purchase one. Or maybe if you have a girlfriend or a wife that loves Hello Kitty or a daughter, you can buy her one. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. The makeup looks amazing. I love this look. It's just so pretty, so me, so just, do you guys see? I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get notified every time I post. Until next time.